Hi everyone, my name is Ellie Pierman and I'm Assistant Product Manager over our Mechanics Hand Tools. And today I want to talk to you about some of our new products and also cover the innovative features that we feature in all of our Ratchet and Socket sets. So to begin, we now have a full line offering of Mechanics Hand Tools. We offer 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 inch drive, and 1/2 inch drive in both sets and open stock. And we just recently started offering open stock. You can buy every component of our sets as individual pieces. Again, that's a relatively new offering, and it's something that we're very excited about. In terms of the features that you can find in both the sets and the open stock, I want to start off with our sockets. We did extensive research in the field. We talked to hundreds of users, and we noticed a trend, and that was lost sockets. We continuously noticed that sockets were rolling away from people, falling off surfaces, especially that pesky 10mm. It seemed like it was always going missing. So we implemented 4 flat sides on our sockets, which is something that no competitor has ever done or thought to do. So basically what you have here is one of our sockets. You have one traditional round end, but then on the drive end, you actually have flat sides, so you can both prevent rolling and put a wrench around the socket. In addition to our sockets, we have ratchets, and they all have 90 teeth, which results in 4 degrees of arc swing. This helps users get into really tight spaces and make sure that when they are working in those tight spaces, they can continue to engage the ratcheting mechanism on our ratchet. So with these features, we have a couple of new sets that we'd like to introduce. All of these new sets are pack-out compatible. We'll have 3 SKUs. Each of the SKUs is 3/8 inch drive, and we have a metric set, an SAE set, and then a combined set. That's 106 pieces. Our pack-out system is the most versatile and most durable on the market. For those of you who are not familiar with pack-out, you can combine both hard storage and soft-sided storage in order to have a system that is fully integrated and serves all your needs in terms of storage. With that, I want to mention one more thing. All of our Mechanics hand tools have a lifetime warranty. So if you call 1-800-SAWDUST or you email Milwaukee Mechanics Hand Tools at milwaukee.com, you can get a new replacement tool, no questions asked. It's a super simple process. Takes a couple of days usually to get the new tool, but we do have that full coverage like all of our competitors in this space. Thanks for your time.